Okay, 2018 exam for the chance and data, and we're on to question 3. So Nicole's electricity provider created the graph below of her electricity use from January to December for 2015 and 2016. The electricity is measured in kilowatt hours. So the blue bar is 2015 and the orange bar is 2016. Okay, so did Nicole tend to use less electricity in 2015 or 2016? Okay, so we need to look at this and just have a bit of a think about whether or not we think that she used more or less in which year. So we can see that the blue lines, especially around about these years, these months, are definitely a lot higher. So 1, 2, 3, we've got quite a lot of them that are a lot higher. This one's sort of on par, this one's on par, this one's higher, on par, higher, and on par. We've only really got one instance, I think. Yep, just this instance here where we've actually got 2016 as higher. So as a result, I would be saying 2016, she used less, as in, so how many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of the 12 months of 2015, she used considerably more. Her bars were higher. So if you can back it up properly, that will give you a merit. Now, just similar to one of the previous questions where they ask you a question and they ask you pretty much for a word answer. If you have just written 2016 for this particular paper, they will give you an achieve for that. But they do also say justify your answer with statistical reasoning. And for this particular paper, they're giving you the merit for your justification. But I wouldn't, again, I said this in the previous question, I wouldn't rely on that as something that they would always do. Generally, what they do is if they ask you to justify it and you don't justify it, you won't even get the mark for even having just like 2016. Even if you've sort of answered it correctly, you haven't justified it. Okay.